Hey guys, so this lesson we're going to be talking about opportunity costs. And what is an opportunity cost? So the first objective we're going to run over is the definition of an opportunity cost, and then we're going to look at some examples. So first of all, what is the definition of an opportunity cost? Okay, so the opportunity cost definition that's given to us, it's the opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative which has been foregone. So what does this mean? So basically, if we have two alternatives to do something, so we can do two things, and we choose to do one of them, the opportunity cost is the value of the other thing that we chose not to do. So what has been foregone in order to choose that first one. Okay, so let's look at an example. So just say if I could go to the movies or go ice skating. What is the opportunity cost of going to the movies? Assuming they are both the same, both cost the same and run for the exact same length of time. Okay, so if I choose to go to the movies, that means I'm not going ice skating. So all that means is the opportunity cost of going to the movies. So opportunity cost just equals my enjoyment from going ice skating. So it's just ice skating. Okay, so that's all that we need to think about when we're looking at opportunity costs. Our next example is just as easy. So if I could choose to wake up early or go to an 8 a.m. lecture, what is the opportunity cost of, say, waking up early and going to the 8 a.m. lecture? Okay, so my opportunity cost is going to be what I forego for waking up early. So that's going to be, the opportunity cost is going to be my enjoyment from sleeping in. So that's what I'm foregoing in order to go to this lecture. So we're just going to say that equals just my enjoyment from sleeping in, which I really like, so it's probably not worth it to go to this 8 a.m. lecture. Okay, the next example. Okay, if Mark can make 2 hamburgers in an hour, or he could make 5 hot dogs, what is the opportunity cost of making 5 hot dogs? So if Mark makes 5 hot dogs, he can no longer make 2 hamburgers. Okay, so that's what he's foregoing in order to make these 5 hot dogs. So we just say his opportunity cost of making these 5 hot dogs is just going to be the value of the next alternative that he has foregone in order to do that. And so that just leads us back to these 2 hamburgers, which he can't make anymore because he's chosen to do the 5 hot dogs. So we just say the opportunity cost equals 2 hamburgers. It's simple as that. So it's quite a simple concept. And another way of putting this last question, it might be written as, so what is the opportunity cost of making 1 hot dog? So all we have to do is look at, so he can make 2 hamburgers if he makes 5 hot dogs. So making 1 hamburger, he could make 2/5 of 1 hamburger. So for one hot dog, the opportunity cost equals 2 divided by 5 hamburgers. So 2/5 of 1 hamburger. And it's really quite a simple concept, the idea of an opportunity cost. So all we need to remember is just the important notes. So the opportunity cost, so I'm just going to underline that, is the value of the next best alternative, which we have foregone in order to choose our preferable outcome. And it's really just as easy as that.